Now, from the church now to the government press, where the Ministry of Lands has come out to allay fears that the theft of 367 security papers has any consequence on land legitimacy owned and title deeds already processed. Through a statement, the Ministry of Lands clarified that documents stolen at the government printer are the papers used for printing title deeds, and the papers can only become title deeds after they have been handed over to the Ministry of Lands, filled with ownership details and sealed with the stamp and signature of the registrar after due process has been followed. The theft of the papers stolen from the government printer have raised concerns across the country regarding the potential misuse in fraudulent land transactions.
Following the theft of 367 security papers used for printing of title deeds in the country, the Ministry of Lands has assured Kenyans of the integrity of the titling process, despite the challenges experienced. In an official statement released by the Ministry of Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development, the government has assured the public that the stolen papers cannot be considered as title deeds until they have been processed by the ministry. According to the statement, the papers only become legal title deeds once they are filled with ownership details and sealed with official stamps and signature after verification by the Registrar of Lands. The statement by the ministry further acknowledged that corruption cartels are likely behind the theft with the intent of creating fake titles. However, the ministry assured the public that anti-fraud mechanisms are in place and the anti-corruption efforts will be intensified to prevent any fraudulent land transfers. Already, one officer from the government printer has been arrested in connection to the theft. The Ministry of Land has assured Kenyans that they are working closely with the security agencies to bring those responsible to justice. For Sunday Express, I'm Gladys Mongai.